everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box for the month of November.
I want to see her shirt.
For the month of September. Do you want to see my shirt, says Luna? It's the Daily Goodie Box. Yes, because I was one of the first ones that received a box long time ago. And the first box got a shirt. Yay! And I found it. So we're going to go and open our Daily Goodie Box for the month of September. And Luna's going to help me here. Excuse my voice if you hear it a bit rough. I woke up like this, being rough. So let's get started. Remember, this is a free subscription box that you have to go and review the items that you get monthly, or the items that you get on the box to be ordered in order to be qualified for the next month's. The Goodie Box is a box that has full-size samples. Most of them are, and I've had samples here that I have never seen in stores before, if I never pay attention to. And I have samples that I have bought again many times after that, and that we love. So I do recommend for you to check out the link down in the description box to where you can sign up to get your Daily Goodie Box. And here's the little shenanigan they always say to go and review the items. And the items, I like to be surprised, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick in here. Excuse me if the lighting is super a little bit better, less orange already. So I like to be surprised, so I just put my box right in front of it and I just kind of put my hand in there and see what we got. Luna's here to help me. Yay! I'm gonna take out this. Okay, there might be one more of these. It says Odor Neutralizing. Oh no, hand wash eliminates stubborn smells, leaves hands smelling clean, hydrates, fragrance free, and it's by Kirk. Look at that. It's like hand soap for stubborn smell, like onion. When you cut onion, the onion smell still stays on your hand. When you're doing mechanics, the oil stay on your hand. This one, nice. Oh, superfood, bunches of crunches, bunches of crunches of chia, superfood granola, amaranth and millet, 10 grams of whole grain preserving dark chocolate sea salt with chia seeds. Oh, look at this superfood. That's how it looks right in the inside. Did I show you how the bag look? That's the inside, and this is how it looks on the outside. I personally don't like chocolate in my granola.
Mommy, I want to taste it.
Okay, I face this way. You can see my pegboard over here, but lighting was terrible to that side, so I gotta change this side. Now you can see my face all bad. But let's continue. We only had that granola one right about there, and now I'm gonna get another baggie. Ooh, we got original coffee, 100% Colombian, no GMO verified, and it's Twin Peaks, and there it is.
What's your color?
And this one, it's like little packets. It says to tier open pouch, place pouch on cup, pour hot water over, and then you'll get your coffee. How interesting. Look at it. It's like the filter. There's two pouches, so that's nice. One for me, one for my husband. See, sometimes we receive these little things. ECOLIXIR cleansing facial oil by with African marula oil, pumpkin seed, and EcoLips. Look at this. It doesn't really smell nothing through the packet. It's just little sample. This is a very sample. Now I gonna get this because I saw it. It's a wonder drink, Oregon roots. Taste the goodness. Tropical mango. Ooh, naturally flavored. Probiotic food for life. Food for life probiotics. Kombucha. Usually they include a drink. Usually I do not like it. But that's because I'm very picky on my drink selections. And I was it sounded like a promising tropical mango, but then we got to the kombucha, and then so my husband is the brave one to taste the drinks, so we're gonna save that one to him. Ooh, this one, Natralia. Now, Natralia is almost like a usual sample guide that you get. Anti-itch, soothing cream, tropical analgesic and skin protecting with colloid ointment and menthol. Now, this one I have received before. This sample I have received it and I liked it. I liked it very much. Look at the big size anti-itch Natralia, and I think I gave this packet to my sister-in-law when she used to live here, so it's nice that I have one again. I do like the Natralia products, they really work, and the couple of different ones that I've tried, so yeah, for anti-itch thing. And you know, I got bitten by mosquitoes the other day, so that will help. Two of these Endo Sleep by Emerald, or is that the brand? Endo Sleep, there you go. Endo Sleep, little pill in here, supports endo supports endocannabinoid health, promotes rejuvenating sleep. It's a pill to sleep. It has 2 pills. Each little packet has 2. It says take 2 soft pills 30 minutes prior to bedtime. But okay, these are pills to help you sleep. I looked at the ingredients because the word endocannabinoid health gives me the Mary Jane kind of a thing. I don't know if it is. I do not like it. It stinks. If you do, it's your life. But I have 4 pills. My husband, if he wants, he can try it. ECOLIXIR. Oh, look. ECOLIXIR got a sample here. And then they sent the actual product. You see what I mean? You see, DailyGoodie Box sends you this actual thing. They cannot send you a big size of this because the only size is this, right? ECOLIXIR. Hemp. What's the thing here for hemp? Hemp is this organic vanilla. Hemp says 20% fair trade certified ingredients infused with organic herbs, vitamins, and finest organic hemp seed oil to deliver a natural balance of essential fatty acid and amino acid your lips need to stay supple. Okay, this one right here. It's African oil, formula oil, pumpkin seed oil of the same brand, ECOLIXIR. Now, this ECOLIXIR has hemp. Let me see. Oh yeah, I personally do not like hemp and Mary Jane. It gives me a headache. The smell gives me a headache. It says it's vanilla. You can smell the vanilla with the thing. I personally do not like it. I hate to be like this with products that I'm testing because not everybody doesn't dislike Mary Jane hemp things, but I do. So I don't like it. Oh look, there's another African oil formula thing. Yay! Don't get that, Luna. So I got 2 of these pumpkin seed ones. Oh no! Look at this. I got 4. Yay! I got 4. Now, what are these different? ECOLIXIR. Oh, this is... Look, I got 4 samples of that ECOLIXIR. Same thing. 2 of them are black, like you see over here. And 2 of them are the white tip. Can you see the white? They're kind of introverted colors. Now, this one is facial oil African formula pumpkin seed. Now this one is facial oil with kakadu plum seed oil, daikon red radish seed oil. Now these ones are promising. Okay, oh, take him out of the box. Okay, now and that's it that we have. The Natralia thing, I gotta say, I think these are my favorites. The Natralia itch cream because I have tested it works. I liked it. And these two are the new products. The Luna loves this one, and I liked it too. I'm not a fan of chocolate and granola. And this one, it says for eliminate stubborn smells. I like because when I cut onion, it stays really bad on the hands. I can't really cut it with a glove, or that's really a hassle to have a glove. But anyway, it's nice to have this one around. The other sample oils are also great. The hemp lip vanilla. I don't know if the product, just the smell, it's giving me a headache, but you can try it. It's ECOLIXIR. It looks just like this. ECOLIXIR. Hemp. There you go. Last time we got a hemp bar. My God, that gave me runners. There you go. So yeah, that is all that we got in our daily goodie box today. Hopefully you guys like it. This is all that we received for today. Click the little link below to get your own sample box yourself. Click subscribe, click the little thumbs up bell, click the little notification bell, click the little thumbs up, and click the bell to notify you when I have a new video. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Yeah.